Today guys, we are unboxing this Pokemon V. So let me open it. Whew. Okay, so we got this V. There. So we have this. And ooh, pretty fire. So let's do this. So we got a card right here, and we got some thing, and then yeah, we got this. I think I already showed you. We also got this stuff right here. Some prize cards. Let's see. Whew. Ooh, it's pretty fire, so I might keep that for other videos that we're gonna do. That's my stand. So, wait. Oh, so we got this, and we also got the card right here. Ooh, it's fire. We also got card right here, code card. We also got all of these Pokemon. And, oh yeah. So, let's just see real quick. Okay. Energy. Got these. Some more energy. Got all of these. Let's see if we can get anything good. Doesn't look like anything good yet, but oh, I like this one. It's pretty nice. It's just got lots of Pokemon and energy. Okay, so we got some pretty good ones. I'm gonna just keep them in here, cause like I don't know. But we got some cool ones that I like, and I'm just gonna store right here. So just all these Pokemon. Energy cards back. So there. So that's for all, guys. Please hit that follow button. I might give someone this card, so make sure to hit that like button.